Are you super into crystals, but you're not quite sure on exactly how you should go about picking your first crystal or your next crystal? Then this is the video for you. And if you want a complete beginner's guide about how to use crystals, then watch my last video here after you watch this video. I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to hear a lot of different things from a lot of different people. And at the very end of the day, it's all about you. What makes sense to you, what works for you, what feels good for you. Some people say,
oh, you shouldn't touch the crystals because you're gonna get your energy all over it.
And yeah, that's true, but at the same time, touching crystals can be a big part of crystal choosing. So let's get further into it. I always say, because I have a crystal shop and I do little pop-up shops at different events and flea markets and things like that, and people ask me like,
what to do, or how do you choose, or I want this one and this one, and I don't know what to get, blah, blah, blah.
And I always say, go to what you are first drawn to. Whether it be a visual draw or an energetic draw, your body will always tell you what you need. And as you get more experience with feeling energy, you can hold the crystal and maybe you feel something coming from it, maybe you hear something coming from it, maybe you don't, or you can just hold your hand over some things and you will feel that energetic jolt or pulse when you go over something that is for you. You can hold the crystal and ask, is this for me? Do I need you? Do you have some energies that will help me or benefit me? You can strictly, like I just said, pick something from visual. That's how I like. So I do a lot of mine. I'm like, oh my god, that's so gorgeous, so beautiful. Like, I need it. Okay. Some things are just a good price, and I'm like, I can't pass it up. I need it. Okay. You can never have enough crystals in your life. So for all of your significant others, you're like,
you have enough.
no, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. It's never a bad thing to bring earth into your home or your car or wherever it is that you want to use your crystals, okay? You can also choose a crystal with a specific intention. Now, I have lots of videos on this channel about the different energies that correspond with different crystals. So if you are specifically wanting something to help you be calmer and calm your anxiety, that's where I first started out. I really super always recommend amethyst. That's one of the ones that I have the most of. It is a super common crystal. It's relatively inexpensive until you get into obviously the bigger cathedrals and things like that. Maybe you want something to help with your love life, right? Rose quartz is going to be really good with that, or bringing in prosperity. Pyrite's going to be really good with that. Something with protection or blocking EMF waves. Shungite's going to be really good with that. I have it all over my house, all around my Wi-Fi router and things. I have a sticker right on the back of my phone. If you want to learn how to protect yourself from 5D radiation from your phone, check out this video right here, okay? And that's really basically the gist of it. If you feel pulled to a crystal, chances are you need the energy that crystal offers. If you are energetically pulled, that is one way. If you are visually pulled, that is another way that you can be pulled. Of course, there's always great crystal books. There's lots of them out there, so I will link a couple of my favorites down in the description. And there's always the option to visit Opulence Vibe Boutique at opulencevibe.com, which is my personal crystal shop. I'm always getting different things in, and I'm always looking for suggestions on things that you guys would like for me to get in. So thank you so much for being here. Ask any questions that you have down in the comments box. I am here to help you, to guide you, to share my knowledge as I learn it. So yeah, thanks for being here. Thank you for watching. I love you. And may your life be full of love and crystals. See you next time, beings.